Hey Rockford, I'm Nikki Dion.
And I'm Miley Cullivan. Welcome back to Beyond the Rock School News.
Last week, we featured some outstanding students who have put in a lot of time and effort to create businesses to prepare for their futures.
Flying a drone is no easy task. Sophomore Austin Hook has created opportunities for himself with his knowledge of drones.
Dimitri Kolovis talked to Austin about his experience.
Austin Hook, a sophomore here at RHS, has a skill different than many of his classmates, flying drones. Austin learned how to turn this fun hobby into a business.
So I work for mainly Colliers International, also Einhorn. These are two property management companies.
Austin got his start earlier than most people in his field.
Well, in 6th grade, I had a summer job, probably way before I was supposed to, and just wanted to buy a toy pretty much. And then I learned how to use it, got interested in it, and here I am.
Soon, this grew into a job.
My friend Kelly there had me put together like a pitch for him, and I ended up liking it, and so I got contracted. I do a lot of the work later at night, like during the evenings and on the weekends.
Although he is new in the business, Austin sees this work in his future.
I think that I might, because lately I've only been doing it a year.
When asked what his favorite part of the job is, he had quite a cool story to share.
Someone was selling some expensive Ferrari, and my job was to sit in the car with them and drive the drone behind us.
And he had plenty of advice for young people starting their work.
You really want to get to know a lot of other small business owners along with people who work for larger companies, because that would kind of get your foot in the door. It's mainly getting your name heard of.
This has been Dimitri Kolovis with Beyond the Rock School News, signing off.
How impressive that he was able to build an opportunity like that for himself, especially at such a young age.
He really is doing some amazing things. I'm really getting nervous for spring break though, because I have no idea what to pack.
You should check out that new clothing brand set up by 3 Rockford friends called Tvnic.
Oh yeah, I think I've heard of it. I've seen their shirts worn around school a couple times.
Delaney Emerson got the chance to see how Tvnic was created.
Social media is becoming a new platform for businesses and entrepreneurs to take a shot in the financial world. This story is about 3 juniors at our school and how social media has affected their local business.
So my name is Dean Ellert, and for Tvnic, I manage all of our orders, I manage all the expenses, and then I just keep track of the shirts.
I'm Tyler Dunneback, and I'm part of Tvnic. I am the social media executive is what we call it. Really all I do is I just post stuff on social media, I keep up tabs with our emails and everything, so if you were to contact us, I would probably be the guy to answer you.
I am Judah Gustafson, and I design the logos and I do photography for Tvnic.
In the future, we really want to release hoodies, because right now we just have long sleeves and t-shirts, and so we want to move into all kinds of other clothing. Yeah, beanies, stickers, pretty much anything.
When asked what they wanted the future of their company to look like, this is what they said.
We just kind of want to see how far we can get and just kind of have fun with it, not take it too seriously.
Honestly, we just want to sell more shirts, we want to have a good time. We're not looking anywhere to becoming billionaires off this or anything like that, we're just doing it for fun.
If you're interested in checking out their company, go to tvnik_jt on Instagram or visit their Etsy page. This has been Delaney Emerson with Beyond the Rock School News.
I need to order one of their shirts soon so I can bring it with me on spring break.
Yeah, where are you going for spring break?
I'm going to Disney in Florida. Where are you going?
I'm staying home this year, but I've heard of a lot of cool places people are going.
BTR sent a group down to see where Rockford is traveling.
I'm Hannah Cruden, and today we're going to go find out where everyone is going for spring break this year. Let's begin this journey. I'm going to Florida. Where are you going for spring break?
Breckenridge, Colorado.
Nice. Are you going snowboarding?
I'm going sledding.
Punta Cana.
I'm staying home. What are you gonna do?
Probably work a lot.
Punta Cana.
Florida.
Where in Florida?
St. Pete's Beach. Cabo.
I'm going to Anna Marie Island.
That's fun.
Maui.
I'm gonna go to jail.
All right.
Sorry, that's the other place I go sometimes. It's free. I get free room and board and meals when I stay there. It's a 5-star, but actually I'm gonna go to Cincinnati.
Florida. It's like north of like Mexico.
Break this year.
Anna Marie Island.
Same.
Okay, be going for spring break this year.
Dominican Republic. I'm going to Treasure Island, Florida. Woodland Mall.
Oh, what are you gonna shop for?
Camping gear.
Spring break.
I'm going on a cruise.
To where?
Jamaica, Haiti, and 3 spots in Mexico.
Nowhere. Myrtle Beach. This has been Hannah Cruden with Beyond the Rock.
Seems like a lot of Rockford is going to Anna Marie Island.
Now time for some last-minute announcements. If you're going somewhere for spring break, don't forget to go to room 251, the TV studio room, and pick up a Beyond the Rock logo. Take a picture with the logo and send it to Mr. DeYoung at kdeyoung@rockfordschools.org to be featured on Instagram and school news.
A legendary Swedish a cappella quintet, The Real Group, is returning to perform at Rockford High School on April 9th at 7 p.m. Make sure to check them out.
Open Circle Fellowship is a Christ-centered club that invites you all to come and learn how to encourage others and grow spiritually on Tuesdays from 2:45 to 3:45 in Mr. Cargill's room at the Freshman Center. If you think you know this week's staff member, come to room 251 during passing time after second hour. The first person to guess it correctly will receive a candy bar of their choice. Thanks for joining us for another week of Beyond the Rock School News.
I'm Miley Cullivan.
And I'm Nikki Dion. Have a great spring break, Rockford.
Wait, what happened to my prompter?
Okay. I am so mad.
Seems like a lot of Rockford.
Redo.
Okay. Scroll. No, wrong way. Nope.
Other way.
Nope.
Other way.
Nope.
What do I say?
That was good.
Stop.